It's hard to believe, but a single dollar can now do what $60 protein powders can't. I've seen it with my own eyes. Older adults who were told they needed expensive supplements to stay strong, suddenly rebuilding muscle using everyday foods that can be bought with pocket change. For decades, we've been sold the idea that health has to be complicated, that recovery requires powders, shakes, and ingredients nobody can pronounce. However, the truth is simpler, cheaper, and honestly, a little embarrassing for the supplement industry. Your body doesn't just need protein, it needs absorbable protein, the kind that comes with enzymes, minerals, and natural cofactors that processed powders strip away. I've watched this happen again and again in my clinic. Seniors who had given up on fitness start regaining strength, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, all from small changes that cost less than a cup of coffee. Nobody talks about it because there's no profit in $1 solutions, but they work. And today I'm going to show you exactly which ones. Welcome, friends, to your channel. Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll break down the 6 $1 foods that build muscle faster than protein powders, and I'll explain why each one is more powerful, more natural, and more effective than anything in the supplement aisle. Stay tuned, because number 3 is the most surprising of all. A humble kitchen staple proven in studies to reverse age-related muscle loss by over 30% and outperform every synthetic protein on process. The market. But before we dive in, here's a question. What's one inexpensive food you eat every day that helps you feel strong or energetic? I'm reading and replying to every comment personally. Now, without any further delay, let's start. Food number 6 is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and 99% of people have no idea it's one of the fastest natural muscle builders on earth. Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt ranks 6th on our list of powerful muscle-building foods for people over 70, and the research behind it is mind-blowing once you understand what's happening inside your body. Greek yogurt contains casein protein, a slow-releasing form that feeds your muscles steadily for up to 7 hours after you eat it. That's crucial as we age, because older muscles become resistant to protein and need a constant supply instead of short bursts. At McMaster University, researchers studied adults over 70 who ate Greek yogurt daily and found something remarkable. Those participants maintained muscle mass even during periods of reduced activity times when most seniors lose significant muscle. The secret lies in Greek yogurt's combination of leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle growth in older adults, and probiotics that enhance protein absorption in ways powders can't replicate. Preparation and timing make all the difference. For best results, eat about 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt mixed with a tablespoon of honey and a handful of berries about 30 minutes before your main meal. That timing lets probiotics prep your digestive system for better nutrient absorption, while the honey's natural sugars help shuttle protein directly into muscle cells. You can also build a muscle-boosting parfait by layering Greek yogurt with crushed walnuts and a sliced banana. The omega-3 from walnuts reduce inflammation and help muscles recover faster. Choose yogurt with at least 20 grams of protein per serving, and skip flavored varieties loaded with sugar, which interfere with protein synthesis in older adults. Let the yogurt sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes before eating. This activates the live cultures and makes the proteins more bioavailable to aging digestion. The ancient Greeks knew something we're just rediscovering. But our next food takes muscle building to another level: canned sardines. Sardines may sound unusual, but these tiny fish pack more muscle-building power per dollar than almost any other food on the planet. Research on older adults is extraordinary. A single can barely more than $1 contains 23 grams of complete protein plus large amounts of vitamin D, a nutrient most people over 70 lack, and that deficiency directly causes muscle weakness and atrophy. Scientists at the University of Western Australia discovered that seniors who ate sardines just 3 times per week increased grip strength by 28% in only 2 months, better than results from resistance training alone. Omega-3 fatty acids in sardines reduce chronic inflammation that prevents muscles from absorbing protein properly, making every gram of protein you eat work harder for growth. To maximize results, mash sardines with half an avocado and a squeeze of lemon juice, then spread on whole grain crackers. That combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs works together to spike insulin just enough to drive nutrients into muscles without raising blood sugar dangerously. Always eat sardines with the soft bones included. They provide highly absorbable calcium, essential for muscle contraction and for preventing cramps. Timing matters. Eating sardines within 2 hours after physical activity, even light walking, increases muscle protein synthesis by up to 50% compared to random timing. If the fishy taste bothers you, mix them with mustard, hot sauce, or capers. Frozen sardines work as well as canned if you thaw and cook them lightly in olive oil. If sardines surprised you, wait for the next one, a breakfast classic that outperforms protein shakes in clinical trials. Whole eggs. The comeback of whole eggs marks one of the biggest turnarounds in nutrition science. For people over 70, eggs are proving nothing short of miraculous for muscle maintenance and growth. Researchers at the University of Connecticut found that eating whole eggs, including the yolks everyone used to throw away, produced 40% greater muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites, alone shattering the myth that yolks are bad. Yolks contain vitamin D, omega-3, and phosphatidic acid, which directly activate mTOR, the master switch for muscle growth that becomes harder to trigger with age. In one study, older adults who ate 3 whole eggs daily gained nearly twice as much lean muscle over 12 weeks as those consuming the same protein from supplements, while also improving their cholesterol profiles, something researchers didn't expect. Cooking matters. The best method for muscle growth is soft-boiled or poached eggs, where the whites are firm but the yolks are slightly runny. That preserves heat-sensitive vitamins while keeping protein digestible for older systems with lower stomach acid. Eating eggs with vitamin C sources like tomatoes or bell peppers boosts iron absorption from the yolk by up to 300%, crucial for oxygen delivery to working muscles. Timing is critical. Eating eggs within 30 minutes of waking jumpstarts muscle protein synthesis for the day, taking advantage of your naturally higher growth hormone levels in the morning. A perfect meal. Scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of sprouted Ezekiel bread, complete amino acids plus nitrates that improve blood flow so nutrients reach muscle tissue better than any powder could. Eggs may be the perfect protein, but the next food literally turns back the clock on muscle aging. Black beans. Black beans are emerging as a secret weapon against age-related muscle loss. A single cup costs less than 50 cents, yet provides 15 grams of protein plus resistant starch that feeds gut bacteria, which scientists now know directly influences muscle growth through the gut-muscle axis. Harvard researchers found that older adults who ate beans daily had higher levels of growth hormone and IGF, one key hormones for muscle maintenance, comparable to people 20 years younger. Protein and fiber in black beans create a slow, steady amino acid release that keeps synthesis elevated for hours longer than any powder. Their unique antioxidants reduce oxidative stress that accelerates muscle breakdown. To unlock full power, soak dried black beans overnight with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to neutralize phytates that block protein absorption. Cook them with bay leaves and cumin, which enhance digestibility for older stomachs. Make a powerhouse meal by mashing half the beans, leaving half whole, and mixing with brown rice 1-to-1. This combination forms a complete protein that rivals meat while providing sustained energy and preventing muscle loss when blood sugar dips. Eat black beans for lunch when cortisol levels naturally drop and your body is primed for repair. Adding lime juice and fresh cilantro boosts taste and iron absorption by up to 400%. Since vitamin C helps your body form myoglobin, the protein that stores oxygen in muscle tissue, black beans are potent. But our next food contains a compound that actually regenerates muscle stem cells: cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is back in sports nutrition, and for adults over 70, it's one of the strongest muscle-building foods ever tested, outperforming expensive casein powders in head-to-head trials. 1 cup contains 25 grams of slow-releasing casein protein plus conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which blocks enzymes that break down muscle tissue. At Florida State University, researchers found that older adults who ate cottage cheese before bed gained 60% more muscle mass than those using other proteins because it creates an anti-catabolic environment overnight when most muscle breakdown happens. The calcium in cottage cheese is in a form immediately usable for muscle contractions, and dairy calcium is twice as effective for muscle function as supplements. To turn cottage cheese into a 24-hour muscle builder, eat 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese mixed with a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and fresh berries about an hour before bed. The healthy fats slow protein absorption, providing a steady amino acid stream through your 8-hour sleep cycle when growth hormone peaks. For a post-workout meal, mix cottage cheese with canned pumpkin and cinnamon. The beta-carotene reduces exercise-induced damage, and cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity so muscles absorb nutrients efficiently. Temperature matters. Let cottage cheese sit at room temperature for 15 minutes before eating to improve digestibility by about 20%. Adding pineapple makes it even stronger. The bromelain enzymes help break down protein and reduce inflammation that hinders recovery. Cottage cheese is amazing, but nothing compares to the shocking power of our #1 food: lentils. Lentils are the ultimate muscle-building superfood for people over 70, and the research behind them is game-changing. 1 cup of cooked lentils, costing just pennies, provides 18 grams of protein, plus a compound called spermidine. Japanese researchers discovered that spermidine reverses cellular aging in muscle by triggering autophagy, the process that clears damaged proteins and regenerates cells. At the University of Sydney, scientists compared lentils to whey protein powder in adults over 70. The lentil group gained more muscle mass and improved mitochondrial function, meaning their muscles produced energy more efficiently, essentially performing like those of someone decades younger. The mix of protein, folate, and iron in lentils corrects deficiencies almost universal among older adults and directly counters sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. To unleash their full power, sprout lentils for 48 hours before cooking. Sprouting boosts protein content by 30% and creates enzymes that make that protein nearly fully absorbable for aging digestion, which typically uses only half of what it consumes. Cook red lentils with turmeric and black pepper in bone broth instead of water. The collagen adds amino acids, turmeric fights inflammation that blocks growth, and black pepper increases turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Eat lentils as your main lunch protein 4 days a week, alternating with other proteins to prevent adaptation and keep a steady nutrient flow for continuous repair. Boost them further by combining lentils with quinoa in a 2-to-1 ratio. That forms a complete protein equal to meat while providing complex carbs that spare protein for muscle building instead of energy. Add sautéed garlic and onions for sulfur compounds that help your body make glutathione, its master antioxidant that protects muscle tissue from breakdown during and after exercise. These 6 foods completely change how we think about building muscle after 70, proving that expensive supplements are unnecessary once you understand the science of real food. Your muscles don't care about marketing or fancy packaging, they respond to nutrients your body can truly recognize and use. If this information opened your eyes to the power of real food for building strength, please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our upcoming videos on staying strong and healthy after 70. Thank you so much for watching.